today is a versatile vocalist already building a strong fan base, none other than Jana Zaplan! Yes. Of course, kilala din natin si Jana as not only is she a singer-songwriter and artist, she is also a pilot, yes. Studying pilot school right now. Congratulations, Jana. She was also our top new artist of the year sa P-Pop Awards 2023. Congratulations, Jana. For another contract with Star Pop. Okay, we also have here our bouquet for Jana.
Congratulations, Jana. Congratulations. Sobrang kaming proud sa'yo. Si Jana ang aming singing pilot kasi ano siya, di ba pwede ka na mag-drive ng airplanes? Magpalipad. Magpalipad ng airplanes. And yun nga ang wish ko sa kanya, just the same. We're gonna see Jana fly to even greater heights with her music. So currently, she's recording new songs for her upcoming EP, and watch out for it. She's the next big pop star to watch out for. So maglalabas siya ng mga magagandang songs na sobrang fun and enjoyable and something na ano lang, upbeat and really happy pop songs. Congratulations!
Hindi ko pala akalain mas nakakabato kaysa mag-perform, no? And then, but first of all, I want to thank God for this blessing. And to everyone po who's here right now for giving the time for us. And of course, Star Pop family, to all the bosses, to everyone po under Star Pop, thank you so much for believing in me until now. You guys have found my music, my craft, and kung sino po ako sa industriyang ito. Kaya maraming salamat po. And sana po patuloy niyo pong suportahan lahat po ng mga artists ngayon at sa mga artists pa na nasa iba pang industriya. Ano daw? I mean, labels, yeah. OPM, kumbaga. Let's support each other. Let's support everyone. Thank you so much, Star Pop. Thank you so much. And of course, pala to my family. I wouldn't be here without them. Thank you po. Ayun, Thank you.